Hey, sixth graders, let's take a deeper look into what this website portfolio is going to look like and what it is going to be for you. So remember that this is really something that's going to help you kind of put everything that we've learned together in one place, as well as be something that you can look back on to review different concepts, to think about, hey, well, this is what I learned when I was in sixth grade, when I take ninth grade earth science, or something like that. So to kind of work through this, there's going to be a couple different things. On the right side, there is this navigation bar, which is going to help you navigate. And remember that once you're in your website, when you're on your page, you can change things and move things as much as you want. So I created pages here for your ocean and atmosphere, for your weather patterns, for Earth, Moon, and Sun, and then Earth's changing climate. So these are all the units that we have left this school year. There's also one called Exploring Our World, which you will dig a little bit deeper into in the next couple days. But for now, it's just important that you know that you can get to each of these sections through this navigation bar on the right. Each of these is already linked on that homepage, so if you do change anything on the homepage, you'll need to go ahead and relink it. And to do that, if I was to create, I don't have a page for plate motion and rock transformations, so if I was to create a page for rock plate motion, I would click, let's go ahead and I put create new subpage. How do I cancel? Plate motion. Okay. There we go. I went too close to it. Okay, so I went up here and I clicked on these three little bars and I clicked add subpage, and so then I was able to add that plate motion page here, and it will show up in my navigation now. So when I click over here, this is what my website will look like. You'll see that plate motion is an option now. To get that to link, I would go back to my home page and I would click on plate motion, and I would click this link button, and then I would click type plate motion, and then it's going to link it to that page in this website, and then click apply. And then when I go into preview my web page, when I click on that plate motion, it's going to bring me to that plate motion page that we just created. So that is one cool thing that we can do. Let me see, how do I escape this now? And really what you're going to be creating is a portfolio or a presentation of all of the things that you have learned and all of the work that you have done this school year. So in the first couple, I have our ocean, atmosphere, climate. That's the lesson we are currently on. I have 3 subpages for you to work through and to answer some questions. So you're going to click on each of these. You're going to answer these questions and explain each of these concepts here in these boxes that are yellow. So you'll just click on them, you'll highlight it all, delete it, and then do your own typing. Again, if you've already created a poster for lesson 1 and you think, hey, that's a better picture than this because that's what I've created, I have my poster down here. And I might say, you know what? I liked this poster that I created. It helped me understand these concepts. I might just take a picture of my poster and then I would upload it into my assignment here. So I could go like this and I could click, I'm going to replace image, and I would upload it from my computer. If I wanted to add a video, because you know what, I thought that one of the videos was super interesting that I saw on YouTube, or I thought one of the videos from the lesson was interesting from Miss Klug, I could add that. So I, again, could click here, so you can see I already had that one there, but you could click embed, and then you would paste that YouTube link, and then it would insert those videos right on there. If you're thinking, hey, you know what, I would like to just make a video of me talking about this so that I can hold on to this for later, you can create your own video and upload it the same way you upload a picture. So this is kind of just the basics of what you're going to be working with in your Google site, so creating this portfolio website. And anytime there is something yellow, that's what the expectation is that you're going to be adding to this website and adding to this portfolio. So you can see here, there's quite a bit of information for you to work on here in this first unit. In the second unit, there are already 3 pages for you. And there's a little bit of information for you to explain. So these are some of the key concepts that we will get into in this unit, and you'll see that on each of these pages. However, as you move into your Earth, Moon, and Sun unit, you're going to notice that there's not quite as much information, so you're going to have to find the things that you should add to those pages here as we move into those lessons. So we're going to be kind of starting all together, kind of really keening in on some of that information, but then as we move further into the school year and further into this project, you're going to have a little bit more room for your own creativity, for your own information that you want to input, because you should be developing those skills and being able to kind of build this the way that you want it going further. So that is what this is going to be. This is your portfolio. If you have questions at this point, it's really important that you ask them, because if you fall too far behind or you don't understand what you're supposed to be doing, the expectations, then it's going to be really hard to catch up. So please make sure you're asking questions, and we will be working through this here in the next couple weeks. Remember, today is a great day to learn. Happy learning!